What's up guys, welcome to Blake's Garage. So today I'm here with JR from, if you guys recognize this car right here, my WRX channel. That's him right there, top secret. You guys never get to see him from the other side of the camera, but there he is.
What up?
This is his 2015, right?
Yeah, 2015.
Subaru WRX right here. Looking super clean. We are up in Seattle right now, so we're a little far away. But yeah, this thing is super nice. I think it's one of the most pimped out ones that I've seen in quite some time. If you guys follow his channel, he's done a ton of stuff to this car. Do you want to go over a little bit of it, JR?
Yeah, we can go over just a little bit. It's pretty much just full bolt-ons, soon to be E85. Once it's done and over with, I should be around 330, 360 wheel horsepower. So let me pop the hood for you. There's really not much to see under the hood at all.
Yeah.
If you guys see my channel, I just put this carbon fiber hood on.
Yeah, that looks awesome. And his car looks so clean right now. It's always, whew, look at that.
Well, it's a little bit dirty.
Freaking,
you know.
Oh, come on. It's like, it's showroom right now. It's showroom. So what do we got under here?
Yeah, pretty much just intake, header, exhaust, the standard bolt-on stuff that you get with these 2015 Subaru WRXs. Front mount intercooler, as you can see, I don't have the top mount in there anymore.
Right. It's crazy, guys. If you guys have seen one of these with a front mount, like, there's so much room back there. It's kind of funny looking. It's like, what? Wait, where's the? Why don't we put the motor back a little bit? Why don't we put the engine back a little bit farther? But yeah, it looks super cool.
Oh, but that's about it. You can see the front mount intercooler right here. I cut this little portion out to get a little more airflow into the intercooler.
Yeah, it looks super good. That's way clean.
Yeah.
And it shows apparent. How'd you cut that? That looks good.
A little X-Acto knife.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
just
that's about it. It's really
30
easy.
30 times?
Yeah. So that's what they recommended I do. But as far as the engine goes, it's a simple, basic bolt-ons that you'll find on the WRX. Oh, electronic boost control solenoid, but that's about it. So currently dyno tune at about 315-ish wheel horsepower, but soon flex fuel is coming. I already have that. You can see my flex fuel sensor thingy bobber right here somewhere, but yeah, it's flex fuel already.
Awesome.
But yeah, but as far as exterior mods, you know, you can see the carbon fiber front lip, you saw the hood, canards, just the basic stuff. Fog bezel LEDs, Morimoto fog lights.
I know you always had all the good lighting mods, like every lighting mod ever this guy's done. So if you guys are looking for what to do on a WRX as far as lights, you've done a lot of stuff.
Yeah, Subi Speed headlights, you know, coming soon, but those are like $1,400. Those are
they really?
Super duper expensive.
Wow.
But yeah, this just has the Morimoto LEDs, which we'll probably put on in the B-roll later on. Cool. But yeah, you can see these fog bezel LEDs. These come on too. Like I said, we'll turn that on later. But yeah, I know it's 30 degrees out here, and I don't really recommend this. And that is using RE71R tires, which is my autocross tires. So that's there with NT03s, prime suspension coilovers. Yeah, don't look at my brakes.
That's fine. How are you liking those coilovers?
Coilovers are great. It's a little bumpy. You know, they're very they're cheap entry-level coilovers, but they work. You know, they got me good results in autocross.
Cool.
But yeah, there's really isn't that much.
Ooh, what's this?
Shout out to Ninja Bar.
What's that? Spencer. Check Spencer's channel out if you guys have not. Does some cool artwork and has a cool WRX as well.
You know, gotta show him. Of course, I know this is a hot topic for debate, you know, which is the Sti Spoiler.
Right.
Gurney flap from Password JDM.
Yeah. I love that gurney flap. It looks so cool.
Yeah, it really sets it off, to be honest with you.
And I really like the black wrap. That's actually really nice because if you guys see, it's like black all pretty much over the top. So it looks really clean like that. Definitely like that look.
Yeah, it flows. And yeah, I've seen my NVIDIA Q300 exhaust and my Evil Subi Customs rear diffuser. It's
which in the winter time can act as a sled, correct?
Oh yeah.
Not recommended for winter use.
This diffuser will hold up to about 300 pounds of snow. Don't ask me how I know. Been there. But yeah.
And then this is cool. You got this little carbon here.
Yeah, from APR Performance, little backing plate right there.
Awesome.
This is actually just wrapped carbon fiber, but you can't really tell.
Yeah, no, that really blends in. That's crazy. Yeah. It looks really good.
Subi Speed taillights, of course. And yeah, there really isn't that much.
And then I saw the third brake light doing its cool little, its little blink. I always like that. I think that's kind of cool.
Of course, the interior, the interior is pretty much stock. Right. So there really isn't much. Oh, you see my Android head unit.
Oh yeah. Well, and the vape holder.
Yeah, there you go.
That's a must, right? For Subarus.
Of course. Yeah, STI seats, which trying to sell, but I don't think anybody wants.
You know, I didn't even notice that.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you guys need some STI seats and you're up in the Washington, Oregon area, or California, who knows?
Yeah, I'll be down there.
Yeah.
Soon in the spring.
Cool.
Yeah, I'll be down there. But yeah, that's about it. Gonna hit up more track and autocross events next year, hopefully more if work permits.
Awesome.
But yeah, that's just about it. But,
cool.
Yeah.
Well, thanks a lot, JR.
Hey man, anytime.
Yeah, definitely check out JR's channel, my WRX channel. I'll put a link to it down below. Try to get this video coming out pretty soon because I've kind of been slacking on content, guys. So this is always cool. When you're on vacation, it's always kind of hard to film stuff, right? But yeah, this thing looks awesome, super clean. I've never seen his car dirty, which is really funny. It's always looking like so good. The paint always looks so good, even on trips. He's come all the way from Seattle to Sacramento, and I'm like, hey, why is your car so clean? So it's kind of funny. Anyways, guys, yeah, check it out. We'll talk to you soon. Later. Rinse on.